What is going on with the Bitcoin price? Such a nice price action, such a nice pump. Before we jump into the video, I want to say I'm so happy our community is so successful with the TYSON Signals. We are the ones who are getting in at these very, very low prices before the pump. Not after some bull flags, not after some confirmed breakouts and stuff like that. With the TYSON Signals, it's super easy. You receive the signals from us, you just get in at the lowest price possible, not after a bear flag or some kind of confirmation and then just taking 1%. We're gonna take this whole ride and let the winners ride. Like we do it with LPT, we got a 2.5% stop loss, first take profit at 11, second take profit at 22. The profits have been taken already, and now we're of course on the way up to the third and fourth. If you also want to trade these signals, we got a 33% discount at the moment because we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and we offer for the first 10 people that subscribe to the service a 33% discount on the yearly subscription. That's a very unique offer you won't find again soon. So before I will tell you my personal price targets for Bitcoin and tell you where I think the pump will stop, let's take a look at a few more trades that we took. Oh, actually, before we go into that, let me show you on the Discord. We had the most amount of signals since the 2nd of January, right 3 days ago on the 11th of March. And what has happened since then, as you all know, 11th of March, we had a huge amount of signals for altcoins, but this also means Bitcoin most likely will go up massively when having 75 signals. And there we go with 35%. And the last time we had this amount of signals, if you're a subscriber, you can check that on the Discord. No problem. This was exactly I'm not sure, the 1st or 2nd of January, something around here. And we had a 52% pump since then. So yeah, I'm super happy. Our subscribers are the ones that get in at the bottoms, at the dips, and not on the trend or whenever it's too late to get in. You want to front run everybody else. So what do I think? Where will the Bitcoin price go in the immediate short term? Well, it really depends if we can hold this area right above. See how precise that was. We had the last high here. We had 3 rejections here, and now we have a clear break. If we remain a while above this break, obviously the next resistance is right here. Let me tell you, lows are the ones you look for, not the candle closes. Candle closes don't really matter too much. What you want to look for are the lows. So within this zone, there's quite some resistance. There was a lot of volatility, a lot of volume traded. So the current setup right now, I think it's very likely we at least go up to 28, rather sooner than later. And then we see if we can reach this area. Then we are all set for the next bull market. If you like those updates on price targets, definitely leave a comment, because this is something new we didn't do on our channel. But it definitely can be interesting sometimes to look at the markets from a, let's say, TA 101 perspective. Don't forget, 33% discount on the TYSON yearly subscription below. See you in the next one.